So today I'm going to tell you about Rock Resinator. Now this stuff is getting some really good results. What it does is make the plants think they're a bit under attack, so it starts producing all these essential oils, which basically makes the flavours in your plant loads better and also increases your weight. Now this replaces your traditional booster, PK and enzyme. So you're getting 3 products in one. It's a really good product. We're getting really good reviews about it and people keep coming back and buying more. So basically you can save a bit of money by using this product and you can increase your yields by using this product. What more do you want? I suggest you go and have a look at this. By the way, it's not a PGR, which stands for Plant Growth Restrictor. I don't know what it does, but it's not one of those.